Guys, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Guys, let's do this problem. And the question states, if y equals to tan squared x, prove that d squared y all over dx squared is equals to 2 multiplied by 1 plus y to bracket and 1 plus 3y into bracket. So guys, we do that question and the details are right here. And so therefore guys, let's continue. So the first thing guys we do is we differentiate first. Guys, let me just put it this way. Y is equals to, instead of writing tan this way, I write tan x squared like that, which is obviously guys more convenient to write. And so therefore guys, using the chain rule, guys, let me just differentiate this way. I will say that y is equals to u squared, and so therefore dy du is equals to 2u. Again guys, y is equals to, that's what we have already done that. We now come to u is equals to tan x, like that. So that guys, we can say du dx. This one now gives us sec squared x, like that. So that guys, we shall have, using this formula guys, now which is the chain rule, we can now replace for our figures, whereby we have dy du, this is du is equals to 2u, and du dx is equals to sec squared. So this is now going to give us dy dx will be 2u multiplied by sec squared x, like that. So from there guys, we now come and replace for u. U is tan x, so we shall have dy all over dx is equals to 2, u is tan x, and then we have sec squared x. So the next thing guys, we come and differentiate once again. And so dy dx will then be equal to, we have 2 there. Guys, here we have sin x all over cos x. And then guys, we have sec squared x, which is the same as 1 over cos squared x. And so therefore this is going to be 2, we write here, dy dx now will be equal to 2 sin x over cos cubed x, like that. So using the chain rule, this one we consider it as the quotient rule, this one we consider as u, this one we consider as v. Then guys, we are going to have our d squared y all over dx squared will now be equal to, we start with v, v is cos cubed x. Then we differentiate now this. We differentiate that, we shall get 2 cos x, like that, minus, now guys, we come and write this one first. That is u, and then dv. For the dv, we are going to have 3 cos squared x sin x. So that is the differentiation of cos cubed x. And so from there, Guys, we shall now put that line so that now we have cos 6 raised to 6x, that is v squared. So from there we continue. So guys, from there we can factor out. Here we can factor out, guys, x, not x but 2. From this we factor out 2, and we can also factor out cos squared. So we factor out here cos squared x. So that, guys, we are going to be left with, this is now going to be cos squared x minus, let's see, guys, this one was supposed to be plus. I made such a mistake, and maybe I can explain that, because when we differentiate cos cubed, guys, here we used the chain rule whereby we say 3 cos squared x, and then this is the differentiation of cos. It gives us a negative, and so that's why, guys, we have to change that. So this is now going to be plus, like that, and then, guys, we are left here with 3 cos squared is already taken. We are left with the sine squared x, like that. And then down here, guys, we have cos 6x, that is cos raised to 6, power of 6. And so therefore, guys, so this will give us now 2 cos, this is now going to cancel 2 cos's, we are left with the 4 cos's down here, cos raised to 4x, like that. Then, guys, we have cos squared x there, plus 3 sine squared x, like that. Dividing both terms by cos raised to 4, guys, we shall have 2 there. And then here we are going to have cos squared x divided by cos raised to 4x. We shall have 1 all over cos squared x plus, for this one we shall have 3, that is 3, we shall have tan squared x all over, we shall be left with the cos squared x. Maybe, guys, I can explain, since we have 4 cos's, 2 cos's will combine with this to form tan squared x. Then we shall be left with that. And so finally, guys, we are going to have 2, we can factor out cos again, cos squared x, here we are left with 1 plus 3 tan squared x, like that. And so therefore, guys, we shall have 2 cos squared, so, guys, we shall have 2, guys, as you know, cos squared x is the same as sec squared x, and the sec squared x is the same as 1 plus tan squared x, like that. And then we put 1 plus 3 tan squared x, like that. But remember, guys, that y is equals to tan squared x, and so we replace y with tan squared. So finally we will have d squared y, second derivative of y will now be equal to 1 plus, this is y squared multiply by 1 plus 3y squared to bracket. So guys, this is now our solution. So thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.